Hey guys, I have a shoot coming up. We just got ready in the car. I picked him up from the airport and I wanted to take you guys for like a behind the scenes. So, come along for the ride.
Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool.
Like to travel?
I could use a little something to do. Go outside, take a little ride if you want to.
Whoa! Okay, we're in the middle of shooting right now. Probably about halfway done. Have our little orange setup. Okay, we're done with the shoot. This is Amanda, photographer. And what's your Instagram?
At Dreamly Portraits.
Perfect, so go check her out. Okay, I finished my shoot. She was super sweet. So we did, I'll show you some inspo pics, and then I'll show you the few after pics, but you'll have to check out our Instagrams for that. She has been doing photography for like 14 years, she said, but like full-time or professionally 4. But I really like shooting with her, and I love her photos. They're so pretty. And hopefully we'll get to shoot again. Oh yeah, I was saying it was like an orange themed shoot, so my black outfit. I'll have Noah do a fit check. Okay, Urban Outfitters, Amazon socks that I dyed, and Noah's holding the heels. They're Zara heels from my mom's closet. I'm very excited. I like that outfit. Very excited to see how they turned out. I did my makeup in the car. I meant to film it. I was running late. I had to push back half an hour. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed my little behind the scenes. See you next time. The door. I guess it's locked. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Good morning. We have our second shoot together today with Riley. I'm gonna do a little behind the scenes for y'all. Now we're making TikToks. We're waiting for the shoot. Yeah. So we're going to a shoot. He's heard us. He went out the window looking for us, but run away. Okay, we just shot a little bit with the glasses, as you saw. Oh wait. Check. I don't know where this is from. That's closet. Haley Skims. Thrifted Shein. Okay, I'm just setting up for the next shot. Okay, we're done with the shoot. I think it went really well. We did like so many different like setups, so I'm really excited to see how they turn out. It'll come out in like a week and a half, and he was super nice, Riley. So I'll link his Instagram below. I'll link his Instagram below, so y'all can check him out. And thanks for watching.